Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make the best yam balls ever. This is some bougie yam balls you're going to see for yourself. So first off, you're going to want to peel some yam, then you want to cut this and put it in some water to wash it. If you don't put your yam into water early, it can change color. I don't think that's for every yam, but just to be safe, okay? When I'm done with that, I'm going to wash my yam very well. Then I put that in a cooking pot, add in some water and some salt to taste, cover that and let it boil. When my yam is done boiling, I'm going to go ahead and give that a mash. I have a potato masher, but if you don't, you can use anything that can help you mash the yam, okay? So yes, I'm going to be gentle because I don't want to create a mess. And when all my yam is mashed to the desired texture that I want, I'm going to add in some butter for flavor. Then I'm going to incorporate this into the yam. You want to have it everywhere and everything should be incorporated very, very well, right? Then I'm going to add in some milk. When I said this was a bougie yam balls, I meant it. I'm using evaporated milk, yes, and this is going to let it taste rich. Then I'm adding in some blended pepper as well. Anybody that knows me knows that I like spicy stuff, and yam balls that is slightly spicy is so good. It's time to add in my yellow, red, green bell pepper, some diced onion, and some already cooked minced meat. All this is completely optional. You can adjust this to your preference, but when I said this was bougie, I wasn't joking. So you're going to want to scoop some of your yam balls and you're going to roll this into a ball. You can use or make it into any desired shape that you want, but I'm going for the ball shape, so that is exactly what I'm doing. You're going to want to repeat this process till it's all done, and be gentle when you're rolling it. If not, it's going to break and we don't want that, okay? Yes, so I'm going to repeat this process till I'm all done. I want it perfectly rounded. That is why I'm taking my time and I'm taking you all through the process, right? Just like this. So I'm going to have to put this in an egg wash, but I did add in a bit of milk. Then I'm going to put it in my bread crumbs. You can use flour, but I'm using breadcrumbs, and you can use only egg or milk, which is going to serve as the sticky part of it so it can pick up the breadcrumbs or the flour, but I just combined both because I had it. So I'm using one hand for the liquid wash and I'm using the other for the dry one because I don't want my hands to get sticky and I want to be able to do this easily. Repeat this process till you're all done, and make sure that your breadcrumbs is everywhere, okay? Yes, now you're going to want to deep fry this. So I'm putting in enough oil into my pan, and I'm going to let that get hot. So I'm frying this on medium high heat because I don't want it too high. I want it to take its time so it can fry properly. All right, I want this golden brown. I don't want this to burn. So I'm going to flip this over with a chopstick. That's just what is going to be easy for me in this situation, okay? Yes, and I'm going to be gentle because I don't want to poke my yam balls. At this point, my yam balls is almost done and it's looking so good already. I can't wait to just eat this, and I need you guys to try this recipe. You're going to love it. My yam balls is all done, so I'm going to scoop this out of the oil. Then I set it aside to cool down a bit so I can enjoy it. This is so good and so delicious. Just look at how yummy the insides look. This was so delicious, and you can have this as a meal on its own. Kindly try this recipe and let me know.